Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to redeem Roblox gift card on iPhone. I will be just tap on it on my Roblox account right over here, and make sure you will be just move in the more settings, and here you will see the help and safety. I will just tap on it, again tap to help, so get in. So when it's load, so I will be just accept the all necessary so I will be just read so I will be just search for the redeem code, and I will be just redeem, and I will just tap on it how to redeem promo code, and let's see. So it will says that you will be just open in the web, so I will be just open in web. So make sure you will just logged in the web browser. So we will move in the left three lines, and in the last you will see the gift cards. I will just tap on it simply, and so here you will just tap on it the redeem card. So it will be just go into the next browser. So here you will enter your redeem code for the gift card on iPhone. So in this way you will just have to use it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.